How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 1969 Camaro, done up as a Z28. Very, very nice car. Show quality, slick Tuxedo Black. This car is all original body panels and floors. It's probably the cleanest Camaro I've seen in a lot of years. The bumpers have all been smooth. There's no bumper bolts. They've all been flushed and welded up. Painted body color. Just slick, slick look. This car's real straight, flat, slick down the sides. I like the window trim in the matte black. Just tough looking car. I like the way the bumpers are done, and they're just slick and smooth, nice. Got the chin spoiler, it's got the rear spoiler. You see how flat, straight this car is down the sides. And I tell you, the underside of this car is just spotless. It's a factory AC car. Been updated with the newer compressor, and AC's all been reworked. Aluminum radiator. It's got a 400 small block, a little over 300 horse. Nice power steering, a power disc brakes. Real clean, neat, detailed under the hood. It kind of bear with us. It's about 11 degrees. The sun keeps coming and going today. So all the jams, everything are very nice. These are the original door panels in the car. That's how nice it is. Original dash. It's got the in-dash tach. Non-console 4-speed car. The headliner's all real nice, tight, like brand new. The previous owner said that the interior was mostly original except for the carpet. And I'll tell you what, it is nice. Very nice. Brand new wheels and tires, Rev 110S's, 17.7s up front, 17.8s out back. So all inside the trunk is real nice. Got a factory jack spare. It's got the deluxe seat belts with the shoulder straps. It's got AM, FM, 8-track stereo in it. All works. Got trio gauges there under the dash. Just a super, super cool car. Again, this is probably one of the cleanest Camaros I've seen in a long time. All nicely done. Got headers, duals. All the side lights work. So it's just a super, super cool car. It's got an M21 4-speed. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Due to the road conditions, we won't be driving it out on the road. There's too much salt and slop on the roads. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.